Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how much space is inside a pyramid? From the Great Pyramids of Egypt to the modern pyramid-shaped buildings, understanding their volume helps us in architecture, construction, and even packaging. Today, we'll explore how to find the volume of square and rectangular pyramids step by step. So we have here a pyramid. Pyramid is a 3D solid with a polygon as its base and a triangle of faces that meet at a single point called apex. For square pyramids, the base is a square. And for rectangular pyramids, the base is a rectangle. So we need to compute for the volume of the square pyramid. So the sides of the square is S, call it S, and S. So for the area of this square, so you have to multiply S by S or S squared. So for the area, let's have the area first. So that is S times S or S squared. So we will be using this formula and then multiply it to the height. So the height of the triangle here. So this is your height. So for the volume formula, we have 1/3 times S squared times height. So there are cases that the given is base area. So if the given is the base area, your formula would be 1/3 base times height. So another one for rectangular pyramid. So we have here the length and the width. So you have V is equal to 1/3 and then multiply L and W times the height. Or, again, if the given is the area of the rectangle, so the base area would be the length times width. So you have to change the L times width here by 1/3 is equal to base times height. So either of the two you use, it's okay. For the problem number 1, a square pyramid has a base side. So you're talking about side of the base, which is 6 meters. So you have S is equal to 6 meters. Height of 9 meters. Height is equal to 9 meters. So let's use the volume formula for the square pyramid. So we have here 1/3. And then S squared, you change that into 6 square. And then 9 for the H. After substituting, you have to compute first for the exponent. So you have 6 times 6, that's 36 times 9. So in this case, you may multiply first 1 times 36 times 9, and that is equal to 324 divided by 3. So we have here the volume is equal to, what is 324 divided by 3? That is 108. That is cubic meters. So this is now your volume. Let's proceed to problem number 2. A rectangular pyramid has a base of 8 meters by 5 meters and a height of 12 meters. Find its volume. So let's have the given first. Your length is 8 meters, width is 5 meters, and the height is 12 meters. So let's use 1/3 LWH. So let's substitute. L is 8, W is 5, and height is 12. So we have here 1/3. Let us multiply 8 times 5 times 12. That is 480. And what is 480 divided by 3? That is 160 cubic meters. So this is our volume. Next, problem number 3. A square pyramid has a base side of 12 meters and a height of 15 meters. Find its volume. So again, given is base side, which is 12, and then a height of 15. So we have side is equal to 12 meters, height is equal to 15 meters. Formula, you have to memorize S squared H. So we have 1/3 times S is 12. And then square, don't forget, and then 15. 1/3 of 12 times 12 is 144 times 15. So 144 times 15, that is 2,160 divided by 3. So our volume here is 720 cubic meters. Next, let's have problem number 4. A company designs a pyramid-shaped box with a rectangular base of 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. What is the volume of the box? So we have here pyramid-shaped box, rectangular base. So we have length is equal to 10. W, or the width, is equal to 6. So these are the given, and then the height is 9 centimeters. Formula, so you have 1/3 times LWH. 1/3 is equal to, substitute the value of L, 10, W is 6, height is 9. So multiply 10 times 6 times 9, that is 540, divided by 3, that is 180. This is cubic centimeters. So let's have the last one. A playground designer is building a hollow square pyramid slide. The base side is 4 meters and the height is 6 meters. How much space will be inside the slide? So you're looking for the volume of the square pyramid. Use this formula in finding the answer. So I want you to comment down your answer on our comment section. For more videos, please like, follow, and subscribe our page, Math Teacher Gone. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!